Building your brand, pouring your heart into your business, only to find out someone else registered your name before you. In Nigeria, it happens more than you think. It's not about who started first, it's about who registered first. Whether you are building a company or a personal brand, this is the one video you cannot afford to skip if you want to own what you've built. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process of registering a trademark in Nigeria, from the initial search to holding your final certificate. This process applies to both local businesses and foreign brands looking to enter the Nigerian market. Let's dive in. Before you fall in love with a name, you must conduct an availability search at the Trademarks Registry. This confirms that your logo or brand name isn't already taken. Don't skip this. Filing for a name that's already registered is a guaranteed way to lose your filing fee. Secondly, if the coast is clear, you file your application. But here's the technical part. You must choose a class. There are 45 classes covering everything from physical goods to services. For example, the Dangote Group is registered across multiple classes like Class 1 for cement and Class 30 for salt and flour. Nike is a giant in Class 25 for clothing and footwear, and Class 28 for sporting equipment. If your business spans different industries, you may need to register in more than one class. Now, the registrar looks at your application to ensure it meets the Trademarks Act requirements. Some things they look out for are distinctiveness. It must actually identify your brand, that is your trademark. It must not be a generic word. It must not be confusingly similar to an existing mark, and it can't be deceptive or scandalous. If you pass examination, the registrar issues an acceptance letter. This usually happens within 3 to 14 days. Nigerian acceptance letters come with a QR code. You can scan to verify that the document is authentic and registered in the database. Also, for those in the food or drug space, you can actually use this acceptance letter to start your NAFDAC registration process. Once accepted, your mark is published in the Trademarks Journal. This stays open for 2 months. This is the speak now or forever hold your peace phase, where the public can see your mark and file an opposition if they think you are infringing on their rights. And if someone objects, the matter goes to the Trademarks Tribunal. It's like a mini court case where both parties present their side to decide who the rightful owner is. If no one objects, you are in the home stretch. After the 2-month window closes and any opposition is cleared, you pay the prescribed fee and apply for your official trademark certificate. Finally, you get your certificate. Your trademark is valid for 7 years from the date you first applied. After that, you can renew it every 14 years indefinitely. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business and legal insights. Protecting your brand is the ultimate boss move for any growth-focused business owner. You will do well to secure your brand. Have you checked if your brand name is available yet? Drop a comment below if you have questions about the 45 classes, and I'll try to help you figure out where your business fits. Thanks for watching. Bye.